Right here.
Looking good.
Awesome.
Look at that.
Wow, looks good. Wow.
You're never gonna eat all that. You lightweight.
Boy. Oh, I got that right here.
You got pulpo?
Yep, looks
All
good.
right,
Thank
sir.
you. Appreciate it. Ah, looks great.
You did good getting
And 10 pounds of potato.
that me.
Whoa.
Oh my
I
gosh.
should have got that.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
sure.
great.
Because there's so much there.
Hold on a second.
Made a
I
good
think
choice.
so.
Looks good.
Just 3 of them.
Wow.
All right.
Thank you. Galveston. Beautiful. Wish it was sunny out today. Yeah, it's different. It does. This is neat.
Big wave.
Yeah. That's a good one. This is the best beach because you have nobody bothering you. Nobody's around. This is great. Now, what is this?
David Moore sculpture. Wasp.
Yeah.
It's like they just, this ain't even blocks. They just kind of like carved it out. Some fancy music.
Nice, this is good.
Yeah.
Wow, this is really nice.
Super cute. Nice, nice.
Definitely beats a hotel.
Yeah. Oh, I love that big counter.
Wow.
A small house with a big counter.
Yeah.
Look at this shower.
Wow.
Ooh, it really is.
Whoa, that is nice.
Oh my. I'm getting like ideas for.
Make sure there's TVs in both.
We're not looking.
Wow.
Okay, our shower would do this, wouldn't it? This is the, our walls this far apart, guaranteed. Okay, this one if it was. It's just like a little track light thing.
What we're gonna need to get is